Hello, grade 11 STEM students and grade 10 students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So, ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay under pa rin ng pre-calculus or ng grade 10 mathematics kasi topic din to ng grade 10 under second quarter, which is all about conic sections and circle. So, to be more specific, ang pag-aaralan natin ay transforming equation of a circle from general form to standard form. Okay, so it is in Taglish. So, para mas maintindihan nyo ng maigi. So, paano nga ba tayo nagko-convert ng equation ng circle from general form to standard form? First, bago tayo mag-convert or mag-proceed sa transformation, let's first have a short recap doon sa standard form ng circle. Okay, so basically, ang standard form natin ng circle is in a form of x minus h quantity squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared equals r squared, wherein yung h at yung k ay ang center ng ating circle. So basically, h and k ay yan yung mga axis na bubuo doon sa isang point ng ating circle which is the center. So that's hk. And R, ayan, yung R naman natin stands for the radius ng circle. Radius. Alam naman natin na ang circle, ayan, hindi lang perfect. Meron siyang radius. Ayan yung center. Ito yung HK. Recap lang to ha. And ito naman yung radius. Radius niya. It is from the center up to the end point of the circle. That's it. Example, we have x, ito yung standard form ha, x plus quantity x plus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 64. Identify natin. Ano yung center niya? 3 and 4. Ayan. So, since minus yon, papalitan natin yung sign. So, instead of positive 3, it will become negative 3. Ito naman ay negative 4, it will become positive 4. Ayan yung center ng ating circle. Next naman, yung radius niya, since r squared yon, kunin natin square root ng 64. Ang radius niya ay 8. Ayan, 8. Okay, next. Si general form naman ng circle, kasi nga ko-convert natin si general form to standard form. Okay, so, ang general form natin ng circle ay x squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h squared plus k squared minus r squared equals 0. Medyo komplikado pero madali lang naman yan i-explain mamaya pag nagkaroon na tayo ng example. So, every binomial squared has been multiplied out. So, minumultiply natin lang. Ina-expand lang natin. Okay. Balik natin sa kanina. Ayan. Ine-expand lang natin to. Ito. Ayan. Every binomial squared. Next, every term is on the left side. So, lahat ililipat natin dito sa left side. Walang matitira dito sa kanan. Every term is on the left side. Every term is on the left side and then equal to 0. So, naka-equal siya kay 0. So, basically, yung nasa kanan, laging 0. Yun yung general form natin ng circle. So, pag may nakita kayong number dyan, ililipat natin yun mamaya. Ang example niya ay x squared, y squared, x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y minus 3. Sabihin nyo, sir, bakit hindi po siya kompleto? Okay, so ito yung x squared, ito yon. Ito yung y squared, ito yon. Ito yung 2hx, ito yon. Yung 2ky, ito yon. Yung h squared natin plus k squared natin, basically, kaya siya hindi nakalagay dito kasi evaluated na siya. Evaluated na siya. Yung h squared, yung k squared, ay yung r squared, eto yon. Pinag-isa lang natin. In-evaluate na natin. Kasi mga number yan, di ba? So, pwede natin silang i-evaluate. Para hindi kayo mahirapan, let's get started. Okay, how do we convert a general equation of a circle to standard form? So, meron tayong different steps. Una, we are going to move x terms together and the y terms together. So, pag may nakita kayong variable na x, pagsasama-samahin natin yon. Pag didikit-dikitin natin. Pag may nakita kayo na y, pagdidikit-dikitin din natin yung mga yon. Next, we will complete the square as needed for x. So, ang tawag doon ay completing the square. Yung completing the square, ito yung i-complete natin yung binomial for it to be a perfect square trinomial. So, gagawin natin siyang perfect square trinomial so that magiging square of binomial siya. Mas maintindihan nyo mamaya pag nag-example na. Next, complete the squares as needed for y naman. So, the same kay x, ganun naman din kay y. And lastly, factor the left and simplify the right. We will factor the left and we will simplify the right. Okay. Example, write the standard equation of the circle. State the center and radius. So, the reason why kino-convert natin o hinahanap natin ang standard form ng circle is for us to determine kung ano ba yung center and radius ng circle. Na diniscuss ko din kanina, kung mapapansin nyo, hinanap natin yung center and radius nung sample natin kanina. Let's say, for example, we have x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 7. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin? Pagsasama-samahin natin daw yung x. Balikan natin yung move the x terms together and the y terms together. So, ang unang munang gagawin, alisin nyo na agad yung may number. Ayan. Lipat nyo na yan agad sa kabila. So, we'll have, then pagsamahin natin lahat ng x. So, we have x squared. Isasama natin si minus 8x. And then, maglalagay tayo dito. Mag-a-add tayo dyan. Ayan. Dito naman si y squared. Plus si y squared. Mag-a-add tayo dyan. Sorry. Ano nangyari? Ayan. Mag-a-add tayo dyan sa kanya, si y squared equals, yung 7, magiging negative 7 na siya. Ayan. So, bakit? Naging x squared minus 8x blank plus y squared equals negative 7. Okay? Since si y wala siyang kasama, automatic 0 yon. 0 yung kasama niya. So, ganito siya. Medyo magulo lang yung una kong nagawa. So, dito, x squared minus 8x plus blank plus y squared minus 0 equals negative 7. Ayan. Next, iisip tayo ng number for it to be a perfect square trinomial. Sabi natin sa perfect square trinomial, para mahanap natin tong isa na to, automatic kasi plus yan eh. Okay, para mahanap natin yung missing na yan, i-divide natin yung 8 sa 2. And then, i-square natin yung sagot. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then, 4 squared is equal to 16. So, ang missing natin dito ay 16. So, we have 8x, x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus y squared is equal to negative 7. Nag-add tayo ng 16 sa left, mag-a-add din tayo ng 16 sa right. Okay. Next, ifa-factor out natin to. Ayan. So, ang factor niyan, kunin mo yung square nito, is yung square root nito. So, alisin mo lang yon, magiging x. Kunin mo yung symbol nito, so minus. Kunin mo naman ngayon yung square root nito, that is 4. Because 4 times 4 is 16, square root yun ng 16. And then squared, plus y squared is equal to 9. Sir, bakit po inalis na yung? Pwede naman din natin siyang isulat ng ganito, x minus 4 squared plus y minus 0 squared. Pwede rin naman siyang ganyan. Kaya lang, since 0 na to, hindi na siya isinasama. So, y minus 0 is y. So, y squared na lang. After that, identify natin yung center. Yung center natin, again, palitan natin symbol nito. Instead of minus, magiging positive. So, we have 4. Si y walang kasama, 0. And the radius is square root of 9, which is 3. Another example. Write the standard equation of the circle and state the radius. So dito, x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equals 0. Okay. Naka-PowerPoint ako. So basically, solve ko siya nang hindi na pina-flash yung mga terms. Ayan. So unang gagawin natin, pagsasama-samahin natin lahat ng x. Ayan. X squared, isasama natin si 4x, ililipat nyo si negative 3 sa kabila, so magiging positive 3 na siya. Si y squared, ayan, isasama nyo naman ngayon si negative 6y. After that, iisip kayo ngayon ng number. So, anong gagawin natin? Divide natin to sa 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So, plus 4. So, mag-add ka din dito ng 4. Kung ano ginawa mo sa left, gagawin mo sa right. Si negative 6, divide mo sa 2, 3. 3 times 3 is 9, positive 9. Kung ano in-add mo dito sa left, i-add mo din dito sa right. Ayan. So, that will give us this way. Ayan, okay. So, x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals 3 plus 4 plus 9. Next, if-factor out natin yan. So, what is the square root of x squared? X. Ayan, x. And then, what is the square root of 4? We have 2 squared. Plus, what is the square root of y squared? Y. Kunin niyo yung symbol na minus. Square root of 9, we have 3 squared equals 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. So, eto yan. Tabunan na. So, ganun yon. After that is we will get the center. Yung center natin ay ito at ito. So, instead of positive 2, it will become negative 2. Negative 3, it will become positive 3. So, the center is negative 2, 3. Ang radius niya, get the square root of 16, we have 4. Last example. 2x squared, let's write the standard equation of the circle. State the center and radius. 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 16x plus 4y minus 20 equals 0. Tandaan ninyo, ang equation of a circle natin, dapat x lang, dapat y lang. But as you notice, everything is divisible by 2. So, una, isolate na muna natin yung 20 para maging negative 20. Or, sige, pwede na natin siyang i-factor out. Or, divide natin lahat by 2. Divided by 2, 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 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times x squared is x squared. Ayun yun. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times y squared, ayun, y squared. Negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8x. 4y divided by 2 is 2y. 20 divided by 2 is 10 equals 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So, isolate natin si 10 sa kabila. Positive 10, it will become negative 10. And then, pagsasamahin natin lahat ng x. X dito, negative 8x, ayan. Si y, ayun. Si 2y, ayun din. Then, divide natin si 8 kay 2. 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So, yun yun. Divide natin si 2 kay 2. 2 times 2 is, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So, positive 1. Ayan. So, ayan na yon. Kung ano in-add natin sa left, i-add natin sa right. So, 16 plus 16 plus 1. That's it. And then, factor out natin. Yung square root ni x squared ay x. Indicate the minus sign. Square root of 16 is 4 squared plus square root ni y squared ay y. Indicate the plus sign. Square root of 1 is 1 squared is equals to negative 10 plus 16 is 6 plus 1 is 7. That's it. Okay. So, identify na natin ngayon si center. So, instead na negative 4, it will become positive 4. Ito naman, positive 1. It will become negative 1. And get the square root of 7. Ayan. So, the radius is square root of 7 or approximately equal to 2.6. Okay, so I hope naintindihan niyo yung lesson natin. Kung medyo mabilis ako magsalita, please ilagay niyo sa comment section. Kung may tanong kayo or meron kayong gustong pasagutan, if I have time, I will attend to your questions. Sana naintindihan niyo and sana natuto kayo sa video natin ngayong araw. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.